Hi friends, welcome back to a new episode of Private Multinational Company Jobs for Mechanical Engineers 26th November 2021. In this video, you can watch job opportunities for early career professions. Early career professions means freshers and 1 to 2 year of experience holders. Every Friday we will upload new employment opportunity for early career professions, and this week in this video we have included 6 multinational company jobs. Most of the opportunities are for freshers, so please watch the video till the end. In this, first one is ZF Group Hyderabad. Senior engineer at ZF Group Hyderabad. Company profile. ZF Group is a German car parts maker specializing in engineering. It is primarily known for its design, research and development and manufacturing activities in the automotive industry. ZF has 241 production locations in 41 countries with approximately 1,48,000 employees. For more information, please visit their website as shown on screen. Experience required for the post is fresher or early career professions. Job ID is 17197. Roles and responsibilities: creation of surrogate models and FMUs, design DOE out of input variables or parameters, analyze sensitivity of output parameters, data fitting, interface programming to automate or post processing activities, generation and export of FMUs. Required qualification: MATLAB or Simulation or C++ programming, Python scripting, knowledge of DOE methods, experience with meta models, FMU or FMI, mathematics or informatics, knowledge of numeral methods, FE or FE, and simulation of physical disciplines, etc. Role is senior engineer, category automobile industry, function area is production, manufacturing, maintenance. How to apply? Interested candidates can see the detailed notification and can apply online through the website as shown on screen. Mechanical engineers with 1 to 3 year of experience holders can also apply for the post as shown on screen. I will provide all website IDs and links in my description also. If you are interested to apply for this post, you can visit our video's description and from there you can click on the link provided for each company. You will redirect to the direct company website and from there you can apply directly. Next is Black & Wedge Mumbai. Mechanical engineer at Black & Wedge Mumbai. Black & Wedge USA is an employee-owned engineering, procurement, consulting and construction company with a 100-year legacy of innovations in sustainable infrastructure. Black & Wedge has more than 100 offices worldwide and has executed projects in more than 100 countries on 6 continents. For more information, please visit their website as shown on screen. Experience required for the post is fresher or no experience required. Location of posting will be in Mumbai. Job summary: under close supervision, performance routine aspects of engineering assignments requiring knowledge and application of basic engineering principles, etc. Preferred technical skill: basic knowledge of engineering design principles and applicable design guides and standards related to assigned engineering discipline, basic knowledge of company quality program, basic knowledge of construction and constructability practices and principles, etc. Key responsibilities: engineering standards, quality or continuous improvement, engineering production, project coordination, client focus, knowledge sharing, innovation and technology, etc. Role is mechanical engineer, functional area is engineering firm, employment type is full-time permanent. How to apply? Interested candidates can see the detailed notification and can apply online through the website as shown on screen. Next is Eaton Corporation, Pune. Engineer Aerospace at Eaton Corporation PLC, Pune. Eaton Corporation PLC is an American-Irish domiciled multinational power management company with sales of 21.6 billion US dollars. Our energy efficient products and services help our customers effectively manage electrical, hydraulic and mechanical power more reliably efficiently, safely, and sustainably. For more information, please visit their website as shown on screen. Experience required for the post is fresher or no experience required. Requisition ID is 110717. Primary responsibilities: create innovative product concept based on breakthrough technologies for aerospace application. Perform detailed design engineering using CAD platforms such as ProE, CREO, AutoCAD, RasterCAD, etc. Perform design for manufacturability and assembly assessment. Lead sustaining engineering and runner projects independently. Interact with the global cross-functional teams, etc. Qualification: BE or BTech, ME or MTech in aerospace or mechanical. Perform product cost analysis leveraging wave techniques to identify and implement cost out opportunities. Sustain process for design standards and procedures governing product design method, documents and data control for the associated business group, etc. Role is engineer aerospace, functional area is power management, employment type is full-time permanent. How to apply? Interested candidates can see the detailed notification and can apply only through the website as shown on screen. Fresher mechanical engineers can also apply for the post as shown on screen. I will provide all website IDs and links in my description also. Next is Siemens Energy Thane. Maintenance engineer at Siemens Energy Thane. Siemens AG is a German multinational conglomerate company and the largest industrial manufacturing company in Europe. In Siemens, a collection of over 379,000 minds building the future one day at the time in over 200 countries. For more information, please visit their website as shown on screen. Experience required for the post is fresher or 0 to 1 year. Job ID is 270005. Roles and responsibilities: responsible to handle the plant maintenance activities in all shifts with the objective of achieving the highest service level to production department. Understanding of basic hydraulics and pneumatic system circuits. Knowledge of HT or LT power distribution panel, PCC, MCC, circuit breakers, relay, transformer, motor maintenance, etc. Compliance of observation from various audits or management rounds. Other to safe work practices and Siemens EHS requirements, etc. Role is maintenance engineer. Function area is power, energy. Employment type is full-time permanent. How to apply? Interested candidates can see the detailed notification and can apply online through the website as shown on screen. Next is Ramboll, Kolkata. Engineer quality at Ramboll, Kolkata. Ramboll is a leading engineering architecture and consultancy company founded in Denmark in 1945. Ramboll has more than 1,000 experts working across 5 offices in India, applying their passion to deliver innovative solutions in markets as diverse as building, transport, planning and urban design, water, environment and health and energy, etc. For more information, please visit their website as shown on screen. Experience required for the post is 1 to 2 years of experience. Job ID is JR18887. Job description: responsible to understand drawing and ensure minimum technical support at a production location, to come in shift and work independently, to be a part of analysis to overcome quality issues, witnessing raw material testing for incoming material and random sampling at a partner's quality lab. Skill set required: should have minimum knowledge on using measuring instruments, basic knowledge in welding technique, should have knowledge in reading drawing and have knowledge in CAD softwares, etc. Personal competencies: graduation in mechanical engineer, 1 to 2 years of experience in any manufacturing units in India, ready to relocation and ready to travel to any remote location when required. Knowledge in galvanizing process is preferred. Role is engineer quality. Industry type is engineering, architecture and consultancy firm. Employment type is full-time permanent. How to apply? Industry candidates can see the detailed notification and can apply online through the website as shown on screen. Next is Boeing. Associate Mechanical Design and Analysis Engineer at the Boeing Company, Bangalore. The Boeing Company is an American multinational corporation that designs, manufactures and sells aeroplanes, rotorcraft, rockets, satellites, telecommunication equipment, and missiles worldwide. For more information, please visit their website shown on screen. Experience required for the post is 2 to 3 years of experience. Job ID is 0287967. Job description: a successful candidate will be working in tier down reverse engineering and should cost lab in small teams of 3 to 5 people to perform physical or virtually tear down of aeroplane parts into their respective pre-manufactured or pre-assembled set of components to enable reverse engineering and should cost analysis. The engineer will use reverse engineering technology and resources to enable Boeing to support its business to leverage Boeing's unique access to 3D data to maintain a competitive advantage on OEM and non-OEM programs. Position responsibilities: use sophisticated tools to perform design recovery on parts to generate and hand off baseline design information to designers across the globe. Develop should cost models for supplier components or engineered parts. Exercises critical thinking and innovative problem solving. Knowledge of 3D computer aided design methods and CAD tools such as CATIA and or other design methods. Experience in reverse engineering and hand-on experience in tear down and analysis of mechanical assemblies, etc. Role is associate mechanical system design and analysis engineer. Industry type is aerospace industry. Function area is production manufacturing. Employment type is full-time permanent. How to apply? Industry candidates can see the detailed notification and can apply online through the website as shown on screen. I will provide all website IDs and links in my description also. That's all for the details of this job opportunity video. For the next early career job news video, please subscribe our channel Mech Engineering World. Thank you.